At some point during the season, almost all of us have to deal with weeds in our cracks, whether that's driveways, sidewalks, pavers, or rock pathways or beds. Sometimes pulling the weeds can be too disruptive, or using herbicides is not practical or undesirable. Flame weeding offers a very easy, simple alternative to these different practices. Most flame weeders like this come in under about $50, and then you just can hook up a typical camping propane tank or a plumbing propane tank to it, and the gas comes out and flame comes out the end. While we're not trying to actually burn the weeds, we are dealing with fire, and so it's important to have proper PPE and other safety equipment. So long pants, shoes, and a source of water nearby is very important. The goal of flame weeding isn't to burn the plants, but to heat the water inside the leaves so that the cells burst. So it's a really good option for annuals, but perennials, grasses, succulent leaves, those may take more than one time of burning. You know that you've done a good job if you hear popping, if it smells a little bit like popcorn, and the plants start to wilt. Flame weeding is a very effective way to take care of hard to get weeds. Just make sure that you're watching out for setting fire to old plant material. Don't do it near any of your desirable plants, and have fun with it.